Hi, good morning everyone. We're back with another video. This time two-man show lang kami. So my name is Joaquin Soriano and with me is Paul Bulacan. So today we're gonna give you the first look at Uptown Arts Residence.
Yes, Uptown Arts Residences. It's just right across Landers BGC and Uptown Mall. So some of you might be familiar with the place already.
Yes, you might be familiar already. It's right across Uptown Parade. Malapit lang siya sa Uptown Mall. And for sure familiar na rin kayo sa Uptown Bonifacio. So we can't wait to see the actual units and we're very excited to show them to you. So, ang init! So this is the lobby of Uptown Arts Residence and as you can see, naka-cover pa yung mga floor natin, yung mga furnitures natin are covered pa. So we're very lucky to be allowed to enter Uptown Arts Residence and give you this first look. So right now we're at the 6th floor of Uptown Arts and this is the amenity floor for the project. And behind us is the swimming pool area, the kiddie pool area, and we'll get to show you also some of the other amenities of Uptown Arts Residence.
So we're here at the 6th floor. This floor is where the loft units are located and we'll be showing that to you.
Alright, so we are inside a one-bedroom loft unit here in Uptown Arts. Sobrang ganda guys. First of all, take a look at this. So, meron na tayong keycard access to the unit itself. So, number combination din yan and fingerprint scanner. So, the works na yung security system natin. And then on the left side, this is the lanai area of the loft unit. Ito naman yung kitchen natin. So, as you can see, kung ano yung inclusions na nasa showroom, ito rin siya. So, we have a Gourmet fridge, the 2-burner cooktop is here, range hood. They're all covered, pero you know what you're getting already. These are the kitchen cabinetry that's included also. And then you have a maid's room here. Okay, let's head to the living and dining area. But first, this is the common powder room. Ito na yung living and dining area. So, yeah, included na ang split type AC unit. Included already. Then, let's head upstairs to the bedroom. So, on the way upstairs, as you can see, meron na tayong view. Pakita natin yung floor-to-ceiling windows natin. Yeah, look at that. Ito na yung bedroom area. So, yung sasalubong sa'yo is the bathroom, toilet and bath, kasama na yung mga sanitary fixtures. Ganda! And then, napakalaki ng bedroom area natin for this loft. Split type AC, included na. And you have so much space. So, king size bed, pwede. And one of the best parts of every condo unit, syempre, is the view. And here, ang view natin is the Makati skyline. Mirror shot. Mirror shot. So we just came from a one-bedroom loft unit. And doon pa lang, mind blown na kami. Mind blown na kami sa ganda ng loft units natin. Ayun, meron pa tayo dito. Oh, sneak peek! Ayun, up! So, akit na tayo sa 7th floor kung saan yung mga studio and one-bedroom units natin. So, yun naman yung papakita natin. Ano yung masasabi mo sa loft unit muna?
Napakaganda, grabe. Parang presko tignan.
Oh, so, right now, ano yung papakita natin?
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa executive one-bedroom unit. So, as we enter the unit, nandito yung ating kitchen. And ito yung mga inclusions. We have this Gourmet fridge. And we also have cabinets. And also the range hood. And we also have here the maid's room.
Yeah.
So, bali sa maid's room nga pala, meron din tayo toilet and bath.
Okay. And then,
ito naman yung living and dining area. So, imagine the space na lang, guys. Napakalawak niya. Tapos, here we have our common toilet and bath. And here is the bedroom. Under construction pa rin. Guys, may AC tayo dito. Pati sa living area, meron din tayong split type area.
pakita natin yung view from the balcony. This unit is facing... Saan, Jello?
This unit is facing east.
Ayan. Yes. Yeah. So, ito yung view from the balcony. Look at that. So, you get a view of the Uptown Bonifacio Township from here. Diba? Yan. Sobrang ganda nito, especially at night. Kitang-kita yung mga ilaw ng Uptown. And studio unit naman tayo. So this one is the 41.5 square meter studio unit. So one of the biggest studio cuts that we have here. To your right is the kitchen. Yeah, so hindi pa naman nakakabit yung mga inclusions natin, pero it comes with a 2-burner cooktop, range hood, kitchen cabinet, stainless steel faucet and sink, all included with your unit. Again, smart home equipped na ang unit na to. Again, keycard access here. You have your video intercom and smart panel already. Smart switches, pakita natin. Yan, smart switches. And then now we have your toilet and bath for the studio unit here. Yan, motion sensor lights. Up and running already. Yan, so living, dining, and sleeping area natin for the studio unit will be here. Kasama na ang modular cabinet with full-length mirror. Split type AC right there is also included. And this unit is facing north. So from the balcony, again, studio unit with balcony siya. So you're greeted by this view of the Ortiga skyline. Ganda. Nakakatuwa yung studio unit. Ano pa tayo? Ano bang meron? Wow. Okay. Okay, so ito yung 3-bedroom unit. Way bigger. This unit is 125.5 square meters. And then ganun din, you have keycard access to the unit. The powder room is here. And then obviously the kitchen should be bigger. So dito naman sa 3-bedroom units, actually the 2 and 3-bedroom units, they come with a 4-burner cooktop, range hood, and built-in oven. So 2 and 3-bedroom units may built-in oven. Cabinetry already included, refrigerator, stainless steel faucet and sink, and then yeah, this is the maid's room. So you, like all other units, yung maid's room natin may sarili din toilet and bath. And this also doubles as the utility area. Living and dining area, check ang split type AC. Then you have an exit to the balcony. Same view as the previous unit we showed. Yan, you have a view here. Punta tayo sa bedrooms. After you. All the way to the bedrooms, naka-compartmentalize din yung unit natin. So may little hallway tayo leading to the bedrooms. This is the common toilet and bath. Right here is the first bedroom on the left. Yan. So, city view tayo from the first bedroom. And then here's the second bedroom. Then check out the view ng master's bedroom. So first of all, guys, bathtub, check. All the other sanitary fixtures already included. You have access to the balcony from here. Punta natin. Hangin.
Nice.
Makati skyline view, BGC view from the 3-bedroom masters. Curtain to floor windows. So from this bedroom, you have views of the north, the west and the south. North, west, and south ang view ng 3-bedroom unit.
Grabe.
May walk-in closet pa. Yan, walk-in closet kasama pa. Saan tayo next? Okay, so, we already saw studio, 1-bedroom, and 3-bedroom unit. Ngayon, punta tayo sa 2-bedroom unit. So, ito yung corner 2-bedroom unit natin. So, this is the 84 square meter 2-bedroom unit. So, meron tayong 84, meron din tayong 96 to 98 square meter na 2-bedroom. So, yun nga, same as the 3-bedroom unit. As mentioned, may kasama ng oven, built-in oven sa kitchen area natin. And then, yung utility area natin, or maid's quarters, may view. May view tayo. So, yung utility room natin, may ventilation din naman. Then, living and dining area tayo. Yan. So, from the living and dining area, may view tayo facing east. East view is facing the Uptown Bonifacio Township. Yeah. But if you think this view is already nice, wait till you get to see the view of the bedrooms. So, let's head to the bedrooms. So, this is bedroom 1. Alam niyo na yung inclusions dyan. The common toilet and bath is here. And this is the master's bedroom. So, since it's a corner unit, maximize ang view natin. So, this way is east and then this way is south. So, from the bedroom, you have a view of Uptown Bonifacio. Dito talaga nahuli yung essence ng urban cosmopolitan living. Yung Uptown Bonifacio, di ba? Wala, feel mo talaga yung lifestyle pag dito. So, since wala pang gumagana ng elevator, stairs tayo. We just came from Uptown Arts Residence. Unfortunately, we had to leave early kasi limited lang yung time namin. Pero for me, I'm blown away. I'm blown away by how the units look like. Ikaw, Jello, what do you think?
Actually, napakaganda nung ang lalaki ng cuts ng units.
Yes.
Since nga 12, tas yun pa 12 units per floor lang. And then yung view talaga, yun yung for me
yung mga views. And considering hanggang 7th floor lang yung na-view natin, di ba? So, we're so happy for our clients na bumili na dyan sa Uptown Arts. We can't wait for them to see their actual units. Again, the turnover for Uptown Arts Residence is on September 30, 2025. So, next year na. Next year nyo na makikita yung mga units nyo. And then, for those who want to purchase units in Uptown Arts, we still have available studio units, may 3-bedroom units pa, and I think meron pang one last 2-bedroom unit. So you still have a chance to avail of our no down payment terms for Uptown Arts. Yes, and then for cash buyers, we have a special promo for cash buyers. You get a 25% discount for all units, all unit types, 25% discount pag cash. So you still have a chance to get that. That's valid until June 30, 2024. And then, yes, we want to thank the Uptown Arts admin for allowing us, straight kami kuya, for allowing us to get a look at the units in Uptown Arts. Okay. Then yes, tune in to our next videos for more updates regarding properties here in BGC. Again, my name is Joaquin Soriano.
And this is Jello
Bulacan from Mega World. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.